Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off notifications for each saves you make on Pinterest. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. Next, select three dots button. Open settings. Tap on notifications. And then select by email. Unselect the box beside saves under pins you saved. And that's it. Now, you will no longer receive email notifications for the new pins you've saved on Pinterest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.